Hello everyone, welcome back. And in today's video, we'll be looking at today's market. Let's see what happened with the today's market, Nifty and Bank Nifty. We'll look at the different levels. And then after that, we'll look into the different levels for tomorrow's market, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty. We'll look at where all the reaction levels will be there. Before that, if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please get subscribed to our channel. Let's continue right now. See, if I open Nifty chart today, let's see what happened with the market today. So you can see that, look at the yesterday, the analysis which I have done exactly as per that plan it's going right now. So yesterday I said that it may go further up. It is half of the way right now. You can see it started moving upside. There is a gap here. After filling this gap again, it may come back. That's what I said. Let's see what happens. And if I go to the 1 day chart, okay, so 1 day chart, because this is where the critical support is there. For example, so uh, this is um, this is where the support is there. This is where the support is there, right? Multiple supports are there at this level, and at this level also you can see exactly the same level. Market has taken a reversal from this level if you look at it carefully, okay. And look at this today's candle. If you look at the closing, it look at the pin bar type of candle which is formed. It's look very bullish. That candle probably it is, market is trying to attempt this level, this gap zone which you look at carefully. That is where it is trying to go probably, and there is some hurdle is there here. Maybe it can reach this gap again. It may come back, then after that it may break like this. That is a possible bottom of the market. One more low is pending probably. So that is what the market is doing. And if I go to Bank Nifty, if I look into the Bank Nifty right now, so let me remove the drawings, and let me remove the drawings. And this is the first bottom, second bottom, and third bottom. If you look at it, then from here market is taking a reversal, and probably this Nifty Bank, probably it may reach this level in a coming uh, days. Probably it may go and try to reach this level probably. So that is what the market is uh, looking, I think. Okay, so let's see if it okay, exactly, that is what happening. It may try to reach this level first. Okay, so and keep eye on measure doc. I already told you, measure doc you have to keep eye on for in the coming days. um Looks good. KRN also you have to wait for that. I have drawn the line here, just wait for some days. Once it breaks, the probably genuine breakout is happening in the coming days. Okay, so yeah, this is my market analysis for short video. This is not much, and market is bouncing as expected. We'll see tomorrow what happens with the market. Okay, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and I'll be coming with another video. Until then, please take care.